If you are looking for chalk markers, stop at Chalkola. I was sent this for review and this company makes fantastic chalk markers. What's incredible about chalk markers is you really can write on any surface, and then they're water-based, so they're really easy to remove as well. Now these are the 15mm jumbo tip markers, so they are quite large and they come in these great bright colors. Now how you use them is really simple. The first time you pull them out of the box, you're gonna wanna shake them for at least 30 seconds. Once they're fully shaked, take off that top and you're gonna see that the nub is completely white. And to get chalk paint into the tip the first time, you'll wanna push it down on a surface until you see the paint go into it. And after that, you can also just push it down with your finger to get it going once it's fully set up. Now for a simple example, I'm just using the backside of a cookie pan, and as you push down, you'll start to see the red ink go into the tip. So now it's gonna go much faster till it gets to the final tip. And now it's ready to go. Let me show you just how bright this is. Super thick, beautiful chalk paint. And obviously it comes in a variety of colors, so you can really do what you want. Now these are great for arts and crafts. They're also great for coloring on chalkboards or any type of planning you have. And they're fantastic for marketing, putting on your A-frames out on the sidewalk, wherever you want to use them. Now my family had a chalkboard calendar for years, and I would have loved these as this color is so vibrant. And that is just fantastic for getting that bright pop that you want on your calendar or wherever you're using this. But I will be using these with my kids just for fun arts and crafts. These will be really great to decorate windows or to scribble on our fridge. Wherever you want to color, you can use these. They are completely water-based, easy to wash off, really fantastic chalk pens. And let me show you just how easy they are to wash off. This is just a cloth with water on it. The towel has gotten very colorful. And it's a little awkward since it is a cookie pan, but it all came off cleanly. And if for any reason it's not coming off cleanly just with water, Windex does wonders. So if you're looking for some quality jumbo tip chalk pens, Chalkola has you covered.